Salman Khan is way too excited for his next upcoming film, Sultan. In Sultan, he plays a role of a wrestler from Haryana like his peer Amir Khan, who is doing a biopic on Mahavir Phogat. The comparisons are inevitable, and the inside sources are saying that both the actors' relationship too has gone sour. Salman Khan is going the Mr. Perfectionist way as he's getting more and more involved with the making of the film. And for YRF Sultan, Salman is going out of the way to get it all right. For the role of Sultan, he's supposed to gain weight and have a typical body, for which Salman Khan is following regimes and diet which might affect his health in the long run, as the actor is trying to gain weight quickly and he also has some neural health issues as well. The family and fans are all worried for the actor. Is such health risk justified? Do comment and tell us. Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming film Fan is the most awaited film of the next year. Fan has Shah Rukh Khan play the role of superstar and that of a fan. The movie is being directed by Manish Sharma and has been produced by Aditya Chopra. The King Khan is all excited about the film. The makers of Fan exclusively launched the logo of the film in a unique style. The logo of the film has the word fan, in which the pictures of the fans of the actors are there in the background. The logo has voices such as "I'm a big fan, I'm a fan," and then the glass break sound and effect is added. The logo of the movie Fan unleashed the power of Shah Rukh Khan like never before. Fan will release on April 15, 2016. Well, we've been watching all about Hate Story 3 and are quite impressed with the gals in the movies and the hot dudes too, I'd say. Well, the posters are out, the details are out. Now let us have some hot videos, hai na? So here is the Tumhe Apna Banane Ka Junoon song, set in the tune of the old song Tumhe Apna Banane Ki Kasam, which features a sizzling jodi of Sharman and Zareen. Daisy Shah, who plays Sherman's secretary, also has a hot avatar in the flick, where she is the love quotient in Karan Singh Grover's life. The song video surely sets pulses racing, and the racy thriller with an interwoven plot of treachery, cheating and lies is sure to hold the attention of the Janta for sure. An interwoven plot of treachery, cheating and lies is sure to hold the attention of the Janta for sure. Add to it these hot scenes and the movie is up for grabs for those who want a quick eye candy. Check it out. Yes, the reality show Bigg Boss 9 is newer, spicier and all spruced up financially too. Remember the last time if a contestant wished to leave the show, he or she had to pay rupees 50 lakhs? But in Bigg Boss 9, it is a whooping 5 crores. Whoops, so Bigg Boss has ensured no one would ever dream of leaving the show, right? That is why it is a game, and that is what such controversial reality shows are all about. So imagine if Rimi Sen, one of the participants, wishes to leave, which she has really expressed so many times, then she would have to cough up this huge sum. So the net result is people here are cooped up to stay, and those like Rupal, who are the target of Suyash and Kishwar, are sure gonna learn it the hard way. Psst, was Rupal feeling better with Ankit? Remember Sharman Joshi, the innocent-faced actor in the comic flick Golmaal series? Well, he's back in a totally different avatar, hotter, sexier and sizzling in his upcoming flick Hate Story 3. Recently, the film released its trailer and believe it or not, the flick has crossed 10 million views and more. Whoa, what a start for the cast of this Hate Story 3, which includes Sharman, the hot Zareen Khan and the sensuous Daisy Shah. Viewers may recollect that the gals have been launched by Salman Khan, and we wonder how his heroines are exposing, as Salu never likes his gals to expose. Never mind, now the crux is about the hot quotient of the movie, which has grabbed a lot of attention amongst the filmy Janta. Hate Story 3 comes with a thrilling storyline where Karan Singh Grover tries to usurp the business set by Sharman and Zareen. Remains to be seen how the triangle gets solved. Well, don't we know how bold Ranveer is? Yes, the Ram of Bollywood has been quite vocal about his relationship with his gorgeous Piku. He has always made the boldest fashion statements, but the recent revelation about his birthday gifts set his bold quotient on a totally different level. he did it again, kinda. Yes, when he was asked in a recent Gloss Mag interview about what birthday gift he likes, he was quite open to say that birthday sex was perhaps the best gift. As for who he had it with, well, he has given enough food for your dirty thoughts, dudes. Ranveer is coming up with his bell in the upcoming magnum opus Bajirao Mastani, and with the recent release of the Mastani song, we wonder whose Mastani Dips is in real life. What say, guys? Well, Mastani or Divana, we sure know that Ranveer is Divana about birthday gifts, huh? Whoops, did you hear that? Yes, the famous singer Abhijit has now been accused by a woman of molesting him. Apparently, in a Durga Puja pandal, the woman was listening to Kailash Kher singing and she felt Abhijit feeling her inappropriately. Would Abhijit really do that? Anyway, seems this could have stemmed from a hate chain that started after Abhijit took a stand about the Ghulam Ali concert. Apparently, he was not at all politically correct about his views and certainly very unbecoming of an artist. He accused of a maestro like Ghulam Ali of cashing in on Indian publicity, so maybe it has irked a certain section and the molestation just about quenches their anger on the singer. Whatever the case be, the woman has certainly seen to it that it did not remain just an argument as Abhijit claims and has taken it to the next level and has had him arrested. When it comes to Salman, leave it to him to get his flicks in everyone's hearts. Yes, take for example his upcoming Diwali release Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, which Salman has already introduced with his spate of songs. We had predicted that Prem Leela, the tap-beating song from the movie, would be a Dandiya hit, so imagine the excitement of the Dandiya revelers in Ahmedabad when they found their Prem Salman Khan right amidst them. Yes, Bhai went to Ahmedabad with the gorgeous Sonam to promote the movie. As for the fans, you know they would have had their best Navratri in so many years. Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is a lovely royal movie with the grandest sets and everyone is keen to see Salman with his two looks in it. Add to it the rhythmatic songs and it has grown in the minds of the Janta. Surely Diwali is going to have a lot of firecrackers in the form of Prem Dhamaka, hai na? Whoa, just when we thought even the posters of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo are screaming the memories of Salman and Ash Jodi, here is one more tidbit of your keepsake. Salman Khan and Sonam Kapoor were in Ahmedabad recently to promote their Diwali release, and Salman as Prem really has a lot of people rooting to see him in yet another clean role. Well, the Bhaijan went a step further and played Garba along with Sonam, his co-star, and an exhilarated crowd. Doesn't this remind you of a certain Dholi Taro sequence which was an iconic Salman Ash song for all his fans? Memories, memories and more memories. Well, after all, we're all human. We couldn't stop but enjoy the Garba at the same time, also have these nostalgic feelings. As for the Ahmedabad crowd, well, obviously they had a blast with the Dabang Prem, what say? Remember the beautiful Friends cap of Maine Pyar Kiya and the catapult throw in the Didi Tera Devar Divana song? Well, these were iconic moments featuring Salman's ex-heroines in a similar Suraj Barjate affair. So what does our Prem Bhai do? Well, he just decides to keep a special screening for these gorgeous women. What an idea, Sarji! Isn't it a Prem Bhara gesture and we are waiting eagerly to see this reunion? Wouldn't it be a landmark moment to see these Jodis back again? How we have loved to see them fall in love and how Salman has literally grown into our hearts and minds, hai na? With Salman all set for the Diwali release, remains to be seen what the chemistry of the Dabang Bhaijan with his other gals would do to the upcoming flick, what say?